Hey! What shall we do today? Let's have some fun. Okay, coast is clear. Sun's out, no one's gonna find us. You ready, dog? Yeah. Ready for our beach vacation and a construction site? Ready. Now to sit down and soak up the sun. Yeah, I'm ready too. Feel that fresh air. Hey guys. Oh hey Sela. How's your day with fish? Oh, it's good. Me and fish are just swimming around like we usually do. Oh, I hope you find some fish in the ocean. Oh, I will. You mean like Neptune or Poseidon? I'm not sure if Poseidon is real. Okay, bye. Oh, he's real, all right. Hey. What are you two bozos doing here? This is a workstation, not a beach. Hey, we're just having fun, Mr. Foreman. Hey, didn't you read the sign? It's a construction site only. Just let us have fun. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out. May I inform you, this is a hard hat area only. Buzz off, Foreman. We're having fun. I'll get those guys to leave. Now that he's gone, let's continue our beach construction site day. Alright. I gotta think of how to get those guys to leave my construction site. You would think of something, would you? I gotta think. Aha! Hot dog and soda. This is the life. Hey, what's that? Ooh. Driller, coming to get you. Ha 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 ha. Nice joke. You know that's actually a block of wood that you screw on something. Ha! Nice joke. This thing didn't work. I got another idea. Hey, cat, come in. The water's fine. No, I hate water. I'm a cat. Hey, killer bees. If you don't leave, they might sting you. Nice try. Nice try, but are you sure that's gonna work? Come on, look. There are bees in here trying to kill you. See? Ah! 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 That'll be a sting. Ah! Ugh. Nice hot dog day out. I agree. Ah! Evil grill! Touch it and you get cooked! It's got me! Oh no! Ha! Nice try. But don't you know you're doing that yourself? It's not actually about to get you. Fair point. Ah! 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 Let's continue doing our hot dog. Ah! Ow! Ah! Ah! It's cool enough. What are you doing? Get back to work. Okay. First I tried the drill, then the bees, and then the hot dog grill. I tried everything to get them to leave, but nothing worked. Unless... Let's continue roaming around this construction site beach. This is really nice to have this day out. And look at that elephant over there. He's getting a drink from the pond. You're having a nice day, aren't you? Ah! Yep. What's that over there? Hello, bozos. You like my new toy? Uh-oh. Ah! 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 Try to outrun this. What the brick? Why are you shooting at us? I've been trying to get you to leave this construction site, and I think this is the best way. Cat, we gotta take down that helicopter. What shall we do? Yeah. Click. Okay. Mech Cars Online. You're getting served. What? Ah. Who put that donut on me? Oh well. Bon appetit. Ah. I took out my cannon. Ow. We gotta get the big guns. What shall we use? Oh, that. Let's get on that catapult. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Okay, my turn. Uh-oh. Hey! Nice undercarriage. Mind if I check out the view? Hey, foreman. Say hello to your workers. Time to get off. And explosion. Yeah, we took him down. Cat? I think we should check if he's okay. Oh yeah. That was my last attempt to get them to leave. Hey, Mr. Foreman. Go ahead and gloat. You guys earned your vacation. Yeah, well, about that, we're sorry about the whole messed up day. But you barely have fun over here. That's because a construction site is for building things. Well, your workers sometimes make jokes while drinking some coffee. Maybe you should do that. You mean come on your little beach vacation with you? Yes. All right. Dude, you're right. This is fun. I even get some soda. You're so right. Ha 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 ha. Click. Du-du-du-du.